Get paid $3,000 by being deliberately infected with the flu. You down for that, Will? Hang on. Wait. Hear me out. Okay. You could get paid $3,310 if you're willing to have yourself deliberately infected with the flu. Researchers want to see how pre-existing antibodies impact a patient's flu symptoms after exposure to the virus. This clinical trial is looking for healthy adults aged 18 to 49.
I'm a prime candidate.
Yeah, you're right there. You're right where you need to be. What's it going to cost? Are you going to do it? $3,310. You get the flu.
I would have to say no.
Hang on 1 second before you say that. Volunteers will be given a nasal spray with a strain of seasonal influenza. The virus was developed by scientists, and NIH says it reliably produces mild to moderate flu in most recipients. Go ahead.
How long will I be sick for? Like it's just a regular flu kind of thing?
I would say a week. But they're saying, look, we're not hitting you with the heavy. We're not going to try to kill you here. They're saying mild to moderate flu. $3,310.
I don't know.
No, you're not doing
Probably not. I got to take care of Otis.
Yeah, good for you, man. I don't want it either. No, I don't want it either, but they're looking for 400 people. You can't do it. You can't do it if you're pregnant. Well, you want to know if Kirk will do it?
Yeah. What about?
No, he's pregnant. He can't do it.
It's got one along the way.
You do it, Kirk? I do it. Really? Well, you can handle a flu. Well done. Good for you. So they have to give it to 400 people. 5 volunteers have already been given the first doses. So there's some people they're signing right up. They don't mind. Of course, I guess you got to go to the University of Maryland.
I guess you got to do that first, right?
Cincinnati. Here's your choices.
Okay.
University of Maryland in Baltimore, Cincinnati Children's Hospital, Duke University, St. Louis University. That's your options.
What's the deal? You got to stay there?
Do you have to stay there?
Or can you be monitored from home?
Can you get the flu and bounce?
Yeah.
That's so odd, isn't it? To show up to a medical facility to get the flu. 7 days you got to stay. They got to monitor you, man. And then you'll be tracked for an additional 90 days after receiving the virus. I don't know. Let's ask the people in the comments. You want the flu for 3 Gs? Yes or no? What a time to be alive. They pay you to get the flu. You're not sleeping enough anyway to begin with. So your brain's already messed up. Now you got the flu. Well, Fitbit. Google buys Fitbit to catch the data, post-flu sleep data.
So you can spend the money on AirPods Pro.
Yeah. And you can pay off your iPhone over the next 12 years.
Yes.
So that's 2019 in a nutshell. It's another episode of Lou Later. And Will, what do you want to say to the people out there?
Have a good weekend.